How to order from Yupoo using Sugargoo. In this video, I'll show you how to order from Yupoo using Sugargoo as your shopping agent.
So to get started, start by browsing Yupoo albums. Find the item you want and copy the image link. Now open Sugargoo and log in or create an account. From here, tap on this search bar and then paste your product link that you found from Yupoo. You'll be prompted to enter details manually. Once you hit enter, wait for it to search for the product, and then from here, enter the details manually like item name, color, size, quantity, and price. For pricing, refer to the seller or contact them via WeChat or WhatsApp. Once done, click on Submit or click on Agent Buy. You will be able to find the total number of items and the total money that you're going to spend with this purchase. Your item will appear in the shopping cart as a draft, and then Sugar Glue staff will review your submission and update the product page with the real details. Once approved, click Buy Now. Pay for the item's domestic shipping and base price. After it arrives at Sugar Goose warehouse, you'll get a notification. Click Submit Parcel to consolidate and ship internationally. Choose your shipping line, insurance, and packaging options. Then pay for international shipping. Track your package in the Parcel tab. Delivery times vary based on your country and chosen courier. And that's how to order from Yupoo using Sugargoo.